So at Sky Avionics, we're incredibly proud of our team wrapping up this A-Star here, getting machines ready for the upcoming firefighting season. We got a number of A-Stars rolling into the shop right now. So with this one, we installed the Garmin 650 traffic system, ADS-B in and out, and a few other upgrades here and there with USB and also the AEM FM. So getting it ready to go to Alberta for forestry this year. And then we've got more rolling in the door. We've got a full A-Star rewire that we're getting back from paint. So the team will be rolling into that this week. And then another machine that will be getting ready for BC forestry. So it's busy times here, and we look forward to a good year.